Now this eggnog caramel macchiato protein coffee may sound a little crazy to some of y'all drinking your basic Christmas drinks over there, but this is anything but basic. It's low in sugar, low in calories, but high in protein, and of course super delicious. Let me show you how to make it. If you're making this an iced coffee, you gotta have that ice baby. I'd much rather prefer hot coffee, but I'm lazy today. I'm lazy about every day, okay? Just so we're clear. Now I usually do decaf coffee, and I had not had caffeine in, guys, probably around 10 years or longer, but I've been branching out and having some caffeine, but I still haven't done that with my coffee yet. I'm still a little scared about that. But a Diet Dr. Pepper, it'll do it for me. Diet Mountain Dew, better not try it. That made me feel like jittery. I didn't like that. Also got that Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Strawberries and Cream. I love it. You know we need a drizzle of salted caramel skinny sauce. This is 0 calories, 0 sugar. Can't beat it. We're gonna do caramel macchiato skinny syrup. However much you want, you know I like a lot. All right, coffee, I went a little crazy with it. And my cup, I showed you guys this, but just in case you didn't see it, taking its glory. The lamp, fragile. Yeah, I went a little crazy frothing that coffee, my bad. My bad. Another day, another protein powder. Am I concerned the suds in my shaker bottle are Dawn Power Wash? Yes, but don't act like your mama didn't wash your mouth out with soap when you were little. If she didn't, we know what's wrong with y'all. I'm gonna do 10 ounces of a Carb Master non-fat milk. A lot of people use Fairlife. You can split this and do water, half water, half milk, whatever you wanna do. It will save you on calories, but I'm telling you, I drank this yesterday in place of my lunch, and I didn't even drink all of it, and I was full till dinner. And that don't happen, okay? We're doing Clean Simple Eats' eggnog protein powder. Yes, that is cat hair floating around if you see it. I heard someone say, not a ghost, even though my husband swears the house is haunted. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to tell you. So I told you about my countertops, having to get new countertops, blah, blah, blah. We just got in this house, we remodeled it, pretty much almost everything, I'm not kidding. Kid you not, I come home yesterday and I have a letter from the water company telling me that they don't know what kind of like pipes I have. That sounds so awful. Pretend I didn't just say that. But they think there possibly is lead in my water. Telling me to be careful and that they need to come investigate what kind of pipes I have. Again, that sounds horrible. You've got to be joking. Yes, I know there are worse things in the world, but I'm allowed to be irritated and concerned by this, okay? Because I just hear ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. I'm ka-ching, 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 ka-ching out with this house. But my anxiety and stress level, it's at a 20. It's at 100. Who am I lying to? So we'll just see. This house ain't that old. It ain't brand new. It's not a brand new build, so I guess it's possible. It best not be. It best not be. Listen, I haven't quite mastered this. Almost, though. We gotta jazz her up. My lid's not gonna go on now. And of course, we gotta have salted caramel skinny sauce on top to make her what? Extra gorgina. Let's test, shall we? Yep. And I feel like if you don't like eggnog, have you really ever tried eggnog? When I was young, I remember like seeing the eggnog and I asked my mom, can we buy some? You're not gonna like it. Babe, were you wrong? She bought me a half gallon and I drank it all by myself. Y'all, I about put this in the fridge. Don't you let me go without saying one for good measure, always. Done.